Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the one topic that is Microsoft Blood Cells. In this basically one person told that basically what do you mean by this basically यार one person told that basically ये क्या है मतलब 3150 age. Then he told that one Microsoft Blood Cells basically, that is Microsoft software basically, that is who is the owner of the Microsoft basically, that everybody knows basically. And Microsoft nuclear power companies is also basically there. They are basically giving the data to Microsoft basically, because Microsoft alone basically can't do anything basically. That means one person basically can't do anything, everything basically. It's not possible to handle everything basically. He can manage but he can't work everything basically. So he told that basically what actually is the cost of 3150 age basically. Then one of the Microsoft person told that basically yes, here you are asked basically a very dangerous question basically. That also the question basically is cost to create 3150 age basically from same body, from same human basically. This basically, that means for example one person basically can have their life, can have his life basically up to 3150 age basically. Means 1 year, 2 year, 100 year, 200 year, 300 year, 400 year, 500, like this 3150 age basically that talking about. So one of the person told that basically first birth basically, he's taken basically first birth. For that basically 100 planets created in universe, few cities created, this many amount basically spent, and disease and medicine basically, and disease and medicine basically are equal to incidence basically. That also basically you can say same way basically first birth to 350 birth basically, same thing basically here basically up to one first to 3150 birth basically. So you can just imagine basically the things basically also. So just see basically up to the calculation, you just see basically this basically amount I have just taken as an example basically, but in real basically it will be lots of basically to create 100 planet basically. You can just imagine basically to create one city basically it takes 90,000 crore, then it's a 100 planet basically. So you can just here basically, that's why I taken the minimum amount basically. So Microsoft told that basically to get this many birth basically it's not easy basically. So one of the person told that 90,000 year basically has taken in the calculation basically. So that basically you can just imagine how many generation basically it is. So this basically contains 3150 generation basically. So Microsoft has created 3150 generation basically. So first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth, like this basically, and everything basically created basically. So just see basically from one software basically human can create up to that level basically. So that is basically, so you see basically what are the things basically here. SAP is there, Java is there. So one of the person told that basically Microsoft is one blood cells, right? Basically inside this basically 6 crore basically Microsoft is one blood cells. So he can basically give that many birth basically. So like this 6 crore blood cells basically are there. So 6 crore multiply by 6 crore multiply by this many is data basically. So that is Microsoft blood cells is one blood cells basically of the 6 crore. So 6 crore multiply by, just see basically what are the age basically. So it's basically more than 90 80,000, 90 80 90, more than 1 lakh crore, more than basically, it's more than basically. So Universe Group told that basically like this basically they saw the calculation basically that 90,000 crore link this everything, this ad, this that basically. They basically saw the Microsoft also, they saw the SAP also, they basically saw the Java also, they saw the PHP also, they saw the Python also, they saw the Oracle also, they saw the Pascal also, they saw the C++ also, They saw basically everything basically. Like this basically the calculation comes like this basically. Like this basically the calculation comes basically. Like this basically the calculation comes basically. So 35 words also basically given by the Oxford group basically. So this was the word basically which was given by the Oxford group. So like this basically Oxford group has given lots of words basically to the each and every software company. So computer blood cells, software blood cells equal to all above subjects basically. So software blood cells equal to all above subjects basically. So you can just imagine basically. So this many age is just of Microsoft basically. And this connects like this basically. First birth 23150 birth basically. So you can just imagine basically like this one Microsoft basically. Like this SAP is there, PHP is there. Like this they have done the each and every things basically. They are telling that basically we are done with basically. But one other person told that basically, but yeah, they basically can't sit for 2-3 hours also in the software company basically. Then one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically they basically can't sit for the 1 or 2 hours also basically. If they sit and they do the discussion basically, the idea jumps into the software company, and then basically they connects to the ideas basically. And then one of the group basically the person basically who was handling the software company infrastructure, he told that basically take the break for some time basically, and then basically they start the work. Then you start the work. Then he told that okay basically. So for that basically they started the work basically. Like, but ideas are going to connect from that only, basically. From where basically the idea he basically left. So that basically say that basically it is converting to the brain tumor, it is converting to heart attack, it is converting to this, that, basically big disease basically it's converting basically. So what is the option of that basically? So one of the person told that basically that the infrastructure only basically need to modify basically. That basically infrastructure is only basic. So that's why basically the business development group basically who are telling that basically we got this many projects, we got that many projects. So they will be responsible if anything basically is happening to the software professionals basically. For example, few managers basically are sitting, they are started discussing. In discussion basically somebody got attacked basically. So that manager, so that business development officer will be responsible for that death basically. So like this basically many death basically can happen basically. So he will be responsible basically. So he have to decide basically which infrastructure basically which suits basically for this particular project. So one of the person told that text box equal to 1,000 cities basically. Then he told that yes, text box equal to 1,000 cities. So text box projects basically they can give to the text box buildings basically. Combo box building also basically there. Like this mixed buildings are also basically there. So that basically the business development manager basically, that is the business development officer basically, that is the software company owner basically, they are going to decide. And they basically purchase the computers basically, that are the server basically. On the base of server basically they gets the project. So person who basically deploys this projects, he basically never comes into the picture. Reason, this type of disease basically is 100% going to generate, that basically they know. And in future basically they can't take the responsibility of each and everything basically. So for that basically they have created the computer servers, and from server basically the business development officers basically are connecting to the projects basically. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are there, up to what level the things basically are there basically. So here basically we are discussing that first birth basically, they have already told that basically this many birth, but they can't sit for 2 hours also basically, 3 hours also. Then what is the meaning? So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this basically, how basically the software company basically is going to clear this problem basically, that is they can sit for at least for 3 to 4 hours in the software companies.